Hi, I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
Our channel, the Cyber Sensei, is your complete free online martial arts program for children, teens, adults, and families so that you can get your black belt right in the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the entire world where you have access to YouTube. In this video lesson, we'll be doing the standing headlock escape, and it looks like this. So make sure you have a partner to work out with, a safe place to train, and you're ready to get started. To do this self-defense technique, there are 5 easy steps, and here they are. Number 1, you're going to turn your neck to the inside towards your opponent. That way you can breathe. If you turn it to the outside, it's going to choke you. You won't be able to breathe. All right. Number 2, you're going to take your inside leg and put it behind them, right behind the heel of their outside leg. All right. And next, you want to bend your knees. All right, and squat over. Number 3, you're going to take your inside hand and slide it back up behind their back, up between your head and theirs, putting your finger right underneath their nose. Number 4, what you're going to do is you're going to pull up on the nose and back, making them fall over your knee. All right. And number 5, you're going to step up and stomp right to the chest. All right, let's do it again. All right. Number 1, turn your neck to the inside so you can breathe. Number 2, your inside foot goes behind their outside heel. Make sure you bend your knees. That way they have a platform for them to fall over. Number 3, you're going to take your inside hand, pull it back up behind their back, in between your head and theirs, and put your finger right underneath their nose. Number 4, you're going to pull up on the nose and back, making them fall over your knee. And number 5, stomp. All right, let's do it one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayah! Okay, this time it's Sensei Conover's turn. All right, number 1, turn his neck to the inside and breathe. Number 2, he's going to take his foot, put it behind my outside heel. So make sure your foot is right up behind the heel. Number 3, his inside hand's going to come back, go up between our heads, and put his finger right underneath my nose. Make sure you bend this knee so there's a platform for me to fall over. Number 4, he's going to lift up on the nose and pull my nose back. Number 5, stomp. Well, we're almost done with this lesson, so here's a quick preview of what we'll be doing on the next lesson, which is the opposite side wrist grab. Well, that brings us to the end of this lesson. Here's what to do next. Number 1, go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end because there's a direct link to the next lesson. Number 2, if you haven't done this yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as this will give you access to our self-defense video library and our White Belt to Black Belt program library. Number 3, go ahead and click the share button right below us, as I'm sure that you have friends and family that could also benefit from free martial arts and self-defense lessons. And number 4, go ahead and give us a like or make any comments you might have, and we'll see you on the next lesson. I'm the Cyber Sensei.
And I'm Sensei Chris Conover.
One clap.
Cyber Sensei.